So we have Hot Wheels Marvel Sir Ominous. I thought that was Magneto. I thought so, Magneto. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be. Wow. Couple of other cars, interesting stuff, but for all you X-Men guys out there, absolutely. Oh, I've seen this casting before. I think. Yep, I have. I forget what it was. Interesting. The Magneto mobile. It almost, from the back, it looks like a stretched VW bug. You can see right there, VW a little bit. Magneto. Very nice. Top quality casting, I gotta say that. I'm just more of the, I don't know, other stuff I'd rather see better than that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. More X-Men coming up.